A grease trap is a device that is installed inside the building or under the sink to separate and retain grease and solid materials from the waste stream, while allowing the rest of the liquid to discharge to the sewer using gravity. Baffles in the grease trap retain the wastewater long enough for the grease to solidify and float to the surface. Grease traps have a removable lid on the top to make maintenance and inspection easier. When grease sits for long periods of time, it will rot and eventually produce an odor that is terribly familiar to anyone in the food service industry. A little-known fact is that a properly maintained grease trap can have little to no odors coming from it. This is due to the grease not getting enough time to decompose while in the trap, and therefore create an odor. To properly clean a grease trap. First, skim any trash along with the floating solidified grease and remove from the grease trap. Place collected grease solids and debris into a trash bag-lined container. Once all the floating grease and trash have been removed from the grease trap, carefully bail or scoop out the water. Collect this water into a watertight container that is separate from the collected grease container, as you are going to be returning this effluent water back into the grease trap once you have finished cleaning. Remove the solids at the bottom and place in a watertight container. The baffle and inside walls should be removed, scraped, and cleaned to remove any grease buildup. Dispose of scraped grease and solids into the trash and not the grease trap. Once the inside of the grease trap is fully cleaned, replace the baffle and carefully pour the collected water back into the unit. Replace the lid and tighten to ensure a tight seal. Wipe the outside of the grease trap and surrounding floors to clean up any spilled waste. Never use any soaps, cleaners, or other chemicals to clean the inside of a grease trap. These chemicals only melt the grease, allowing it to easily move into the sewer system. Record the maintenance in a maintenance log and include the following: date of maintenance, person performing maintenance, estimated volume of grease removed, disposal location, manager's signature or initials for verification.